Hi, welcome back to my video series on finding volume and surface area of three-dimensional figures. This video is going to focus on square pyramids. Square pyramids. Okay, so we're going to look at finding the volume first. Formula for finding the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the overall height of the pyramid. Okay, since we are dealing with a square pyramid, the area of the base is going to be the same formula to find the area of a square. And the area of a square, if you look on the right side where the formulas are, is simply defined as the value of the side squared. Okay, so we can go ahead and start with rewriting our formula. We get 1/3 times side squared, and capital H, is going to represent the overall height of our pyramid. Okay, looking at our shape here, we can see that this is going to represent the base of our square pyramid because it is square on the bottom. We know that because we have side lengths that are the same and 90-degree corners. And then this red line that's coming up from the center up to the top of the pyramid is going to represent the overall height of the pyramid. Okay, so we're going to let 3 be the S value for side, the side lengths of the square at the base of this pyramid, and 5 is going to represent the capital H, the overall height of the pyramid. Okay, going back to our equation, let's start replacing some values in here. We get 1/3 times 3 squared times 5 for the overall height. Okay, so we get 1/3 times 9 times 5. 1/3 of 9 is going to be 3 times 5, which is going to equal 15. Our unit is miles, and we're dealing with volume, so we're going to cube it. Okay, for surface area, we're going to find the area of the base plus 1/2 times the perimeter of the base times the slant height of this pyramid. Okay, so replacing some of our values in the surface area formula with other area formulas, we get B is going to be the same as the area of a square, which is going to be side squared, plus 1/2 times the perimeter of a square, which is 4 times the value of S, times the length of the slant height. Okay, so remember, slant height is going to be from the edge of the square on the base to the top of the pyramid. That's going to be our 12.8 value over here, our capital H. And then 9, because it's duplicated at the base, is going to represent S. Okay, now we can start plugging into our formula. And S squared is going to be 9 squared plus 1/2 times 4 times S, which is 9, times 12.8, which is the height of the overall, the slant height of this pyramid. Okay, so we get 81 plus 2 times 9 times 12.8. We are going to be dealing with a decimal here, so we're going to probably need a calculator. We get 81 plus 18 times 12.8. So we get 81 plus 18 times 12.8 is going to be 311.4 feet squared, because we're dealing with surface area. Okay, that's finding the volume and surface area of square pyramids. Please stay tuned for the next shape.